Forget your fancy hotels and five-star resorts. This isn't that kind of trip. This is a journey into a world where luxury is a distant memory and survival is the daily reality. This is Rafa, border town, pressure cooker, a place where the heat of the desert sun is matched only by the intensity of human struggle. A sea of tents stretching as far as the eye can see. Each one a temporary home, a fragile sanctuary in a world turned upside down. We're here to see what happens when humanity is pushed to its limits, when every day is a test of endurance and every night is a battle against despair, when the only thing standing between you and despair is a flimsy sheet of canvas. These tents, these makeshift shelters, are all that protect families from the harsh elements and the uncertainty of tomorrow. This is a story about resilience, about survival. It's about the human spirit's incredible ability to adapt and persevere, even in the most challenging of circumstances. About the everyday heroes making do in the face of extraordinary circumstances. The mothers, fathers, and children who, despite everything, find ways to smile, to hope, and to dream. Get ready to step outside your comfort zone. This is Rafa, Unfiltered. A place where every face tells a story, and every story is a testament to the strength of the human spirit. Amidst the hardship, there are moments of joy. Children playing, laughter echoing through the rows of tents. These moments are fleeting, but they are a reminder that even in the darkest times, light can be found. The community here is strong. People come together to support one another, sharing what little they have, and is a testament to the power of human connection and the importance of solidarity. Aid workers and volunteers play a crucial role, providing essential services and support. Their efforts are a lifeline for many, offering hope and a sense of normalcy in an otherwise chaotic environment. Makeshift schools have been set up, giving children a chance to learn and dream of a better future. Education is a beacon of hope, a way to break the cycle of despair and build a brighter tomorrow. Medical tents provide much-needed healthcare, treating illnesses and injuries that are all too common in these harsh conditions. The doctors and nurses here are true heroes, working tirelessly to save lives. As the sun sets over Rafa, the challenges remain, but so does the hope. The people here are resilient, their spirits unbroken. This is where hope lives, intense in the hearts of those who refuse to give up. Join us as we explore this remarkable place, where every day is a testament to the strength and resilience of the human spirit. This is Rafa, where hope lives in tents. Rafa. Even the name sounds like a sigh of exhaustion. It's a city carved into the very edge of the Gaza Strip, its back pressed against the Egyptian border, a place where hope goes to collide with geopolitical realities. For generations, this border has been a lifeline and a chokehold, a place of transit and a place of confinement. The tent city we're exploring today is a testament to that tension, a physical manifestation of the struggles faced by the Palestinian people. Imagine a city where the streets are dusty paths winding through a landscape that seems almost forgotten by time. The ground beneath your feet is a mix of sand and dirt, kicked up with every step, creating a haze that lingers in the air. The buildings here are not made of bricks and mortar, but are instead patched together tents, each one telling a story of resilience and survival. These makeshift structures stand as a testament to the human spirit's ability to adapt and endure. In the narrow alleys between these tents, the air hums with the sounds of children playing. Their laughter is a bright spot in an otherwise harsh environment, a reminder that joy can be found even in the most challenging circumstances. Generators, often old and struggling, work tirelessly to keep the lights on. Their constant hum is a background noise that everyone has grown accustomed to, a symbol of the ongoing struggle to maintain a semblance of normalcy. This is daily life in Rafa's tent city, a place where every day is a battle against the elements and the odds. Yet amidst the struggle, there is a sense of community and shared purpose that binds everyone together. It's a world of contrasts where hope and despair coexist side by side. The beauty of human connection shines through the cracks of hardship, illuminating the path forward. Resourcefulness is a way of life here. In the face of scarcity, people find innovative ways to make do with what they have. Every item is repurposed, every resource stretched to its limit. Community spirit blossoms in the shadow of hardship. Neighbors look out for one another, sharing what little they have and offering support in times of need. This sense of solidarity is the glue that holds the community together. Families gather to cook meals on open fires, the aroma of food mingling with the scent of the desert air. These shared meals are more than just sustenance, they are moments of connection and comfort. Kids kick deflated soccer balls, their laughter echoing through the makeshift streets. These simple games are a source of joy and a brief escape from the reality of their surroundings. Life goes on, even here, under the weight of uncertainty. Each day brings new challenges, but also new opportunities for connection, resilience, and hope. In Rafa's tent city, the human spirit shines brightly, proving that even in the most difficult circumstances, life finds a way to endure and thrive. Let's not sugarcoat it. Life here is a daily struggle, a test of endurance and resilience. Life in Rafa's tent city is tough. The residents face a myriad of challenges that test their limits every single day. The sun beats down mercilessly, baking the earth and turning the tents into ovens. The heat is relentless, making it difficult to find any comfort or relief. Dust devils dance in the wind, coating everything in a fine layer of grit. The constant dust makes breathing difficult and adds to the discomfort of daily life. Sanitation is a constant challenge. Overcrowded portable toilets are a common sight, and maintaining hygiene is an uphill battle. Clean water and medical care are luxuries many can only dream of. Long lines at water taps are a daily occurrence, and access to medical care is limited and often inadequate. Despair is a constant threat, a shadow lurking at the edges of every smile, every act of kindness. The weight of uncertainty and the harshness of their environment take a toll on the residents' spirits. But even in the midst of such hardship, the human spirit finds a way to shine through. Children play and laugh, finding joy in the simplest of things. Acts of kindness and solidarity are common as residents support each other through the toughest of times. Community gatherings provide a sense of normalcy and hope. These moments of togetherness are a reminder that even in the harshest conditions, humanity prevails. Volunteers and aid workers play a crucial role in providing much-needed support. Their efforts bring a glimmer of hope and relief to the residents, showing that they are not forgotten. Sharing meals and resources is a testament to the resilience and generosity of the human spirit. In the face of adversity, the residents of Rafa's camp demonstrate remarkable strength and unity. As the sun sets over Rafa's camp, the challenges of the day give way to a brief moment of peace. The night brings a respite from the scorching heat, but the struggles continue. Yet the residents remain hopeful, holding on to the belief that a better future is possible. Under the vast expanse of the starry sky, the residents of Rafa's camp dream of a brighter tomorrow. Their resilience and determination are a testament to the enduring strength of the human spirit. Section 5. So you want to see Rafa? A traveler's guide. Rafa isn't your typical tourist destination. It's not about ticking off landmarks or snapping selfies. It's about bearing witness, about understanding a different reality. If you're considering a visit, be prepared. This isn't a trip for the faint of heart. Travel permits can be difficult to obtain. Check the latest advisories. Pack light, essentials only. Respect local customs. Dress modestly. Be mindful of your surroundings. This is a place where your presence will be noticed. Section 6. Respect, patience and humility. Your essential packing list. Forget your phrase books and travel guides. Here in Rafa, the most important things you'll pack are your respect, your patience, and a healthy dose of humility. This isn't a theme park. These are people's lives. Be prepared to listen more than you speak, to observe without judgment, to offer a helping hand whenever possible. Remember, you're a guest here. Act accordingly. Beyond the guidebook, navigating Rafa's rhythms, Rafa dances to its own beat, a rhythm dictated by prayer times, by the availability of water and electricity, by the ever-present political tensions. Don't expect schedules or timetables. Embrace the unexpected, be flexible, lose yourself in the sights, sounds and smells of daily life. Strike up conversations with the locals, share a meal. Let Rafa work its magic on you. It will be an experience you won't soon forget. A lens on humanity, capturing the story responsibly. We live in a world obsessed with capturing the perfect shot, the ultimate Instagram story. But here in Rafa, it's important to remember that you're not just framing a picture, you're framing people's lives, their struggles, their resilience. Ask permission before you take someone's photo. Be respectful of their privacy. Use your lens to tell their stories, to amplify their voices, to shine a light on a corner of the world that is often overlooked. Leaving Rafa, carrying its weight. The journey home. Leaving Rafa is bittersweet. You'll carry a piece of it with you. The dust clinging to your clothes, the stories etched in your memory, the weight of knowing that life here continues, even as you return to your comfortable existence. This isn't a trip you easily shake off, it stays with you. Challenges your perspectives, forces you to confront uncomfortable truths, and hopefully, inspires you to act. What will you take away? Share your thoughts. So I ask you, what will you take away from this glimpse into Rafa? How will this experience change the way you see the world? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going.